Hey Forest friends, today I'm going to show you how to write the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 on a whiteboard. So have your whiteboard and your pen ready, or a pencil and paper, or chalk and a chalkboard, or whatever you guys are using to do your writing. So we're going to start off with the number 6. Get my leg ready to prop this guy up. So we're going to start out with the number 6, and 6 is easy. You start out by making a C, and then you curl it around on itself. So we start at the top, and we're going to go curve down to make that C. Can you see the C? You guys see it? Okay, now we're going to curve back and just touch. Okay, you don't want to go over, and you want to make sure it touches, but you curve back and touch. So that's a 6. Okay, you ready to try it? Start at the top, curve down, curve around, and touch. Okay, you try it now. Pause the video and make a few 6s, and you get some good ones. Ready to make a 7. 7's easy peasy lemon squeezy, promise you. Okay, for a 7, we're going to start at the top. We're going to go straight over, slant down. And when you slant down, you want it to be even Steven, okay? So don't slant way down. All right, ready friends? We're gonna give it a try. Over, slant down. Okay, make a few 7s, and then you can pause the video until you have a few that are really good. And now I'm going to show you how to make an 8. Now, I'm going to tell you 8s are maybe the most fun to make, but they're also the most tricky. So I'm going to show you an 8 2 ways, and one way that I make it that isn't the way you should. So when you probably have noticed, when I make 8s, I make what I call snowman 8s, which are 2 balls on top of each other. Now when you get old like me, you can make your 8s any way you like, but don't make them like this right now, okay? I'm going to show you the right way to make them, okay? So we're going to start off with the easy way, and then I'll show you the slightly more advanced way when you get good at the easy way. So for an 8, we're going to start by making an S, easy peasy, right? So we're going to curve one way and then the other. There's our S. And then what you're going to do is you're going to connect the bottom to the top with a straight line, just like that. Okay, so that's how to make an S. Curve one way, then the other, slant up, okay? So let's go ahead and try making a few of those. Okay, ready friends? Get your pencil or your crayon or your marker, whatever you're using, ready? Curve one way, then the other, slant up. Okay, now once you've got that way down, you can try making it the slightly more difficult way, but this is also the more fun way, and I think it looks more like an 8, okay? So for this one, instead of making that slanted line up, you're going to curve back up, okay? Almost like you're making a backwards S on the way up. Ready? Curve one way, the other, curve back up. Okay? All right, ready to try that? Do it with my finger this time. Ready, friends? Start at the top, curve one way, then the other, and curve back up. All right, go ahead and pause and try your 8s a few times. Either way, the easy way or the more advanced way, whichever way works best for you. Practice it until you get a few 8s that you like the way they look, and then I'll show you a 9. Okay, here's the 9. If you can make an A, lowercase a, you can make a 9. It's the same thing. If you can make a lowercase q, it's exactly the same thing. Lowercase q goes below the line, but a 9 stands above it. So for a 9, we're going to go curve down, curve up, trace down, and make a tail. Easy. Ooh, mine kind of curved. Let's see if I can do a better one. Sometimes it's hard to do it sideways. Okay, so there's my 9. That's a better one for sure. Okay, guys, ready to give it a try? Here we go. Curve down, curve up, trace down, and make a tail. Great. Okay, go ahead and try your 9 a few times until you get some that you really like the way they look. Okay, And now we're going to make a 10. Now a 10 has a 1, which we learned how to make last week, and 0. And you know how to make an O, so a 0 is not much different. So for a 10, we start at the top, straight down, jump up to the top to do the 0, curve down, curve up. Make sure you do that 0 starting at the top, because I see a lot of kids start at the bottom. Make sure you start at the top. Okay, ready? Let's give it a try. Straight down, jump up to the top, curve down, curve up. Great. Okay, pause and make a few great 10s. And while you're doing that, I'm going to erase mine. And I'm going to make my 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right across the top, just like I did last week. And that's what I want you friends to practice. There we go. Okay, so there's my 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, and a piece of hair stuck on there. Get that out of the way. Okay, so I'll practice it one more time with you, and then I want you to try doing this at least 1, 2, 3 times on your whiteboard or your paper. Okay, ready? Curve down, curve around, and touch. Over, slant down, curve one way, then the other, curve up. Curve down, curve up, trace down and make a tail. Straight down, jump up, curve down, curve up. All right, work on your beautiful numbers, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.